Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Today I have another review for you. What am I talking about? I've got this, tea tree cleansing wipes from Beauty Formulas. So Beauty Formulas is a skincare line. They produce different kinds of skincare from serums, body lotions, facial lotions, cleansers and all that. Now I got this because I love the tea tree. So as you can see, it's 25 wipes. So this claims it removes excess oil, dirt, and make up for clearer skin. Helps keep skin clear and healthy. And this is suitable for blemished skin. So yes, if you got blemishes, you can't give this a try. Now this is so affordable. It was about €3, yeah, and you get 25 wipes. It's super soaked. And if you open it up, you can smell the tea tree oil, that tea tree oil scent, yeah? And tea tree is known for its great properties, great skin properties for hyperpigmentation, blemishes, uneven skin tone and all that. Obviously, I got attracted to the tea tree in it. And, so is a wipe, just like a regular wipe. It is soaked with goodness. Look at that. Smells so good, and just one can cleanse your face very, very well. Instead of using, the micellar water, the toner, this is like micellar water soaked in wipes, and you can just smell the tea tree in there. Very, very good for the skin. It does not irritate your skin. It doesn't irritate your eyes. I've got very sensitive eyes, and I use these and I don't feel any irritation around my eye area. It contains cleansing facial wipes, which contains Australian tea tree oil, known to be a natural antibacterial agent with antiseptic properties. Deep down cleansing action to remove dirt, oil and makeup. Helps to unblock and tighten pores. Helps to combat spot causing bacteria. So yes, if you want something easy, something affordable, something that really walks the talk, instead of getting the micellar water, or instead of getting the cleansers, you can get these ready to use wipes. There are so many options, but then I got this tea tree oil option because all the good properties of tea tree. And am I going to get it again? Hell yes, because it leaves your skin so clean, so smooth, and it feels good to the touch. I usually use this before I go to bed. Sometimes I just wipe my face with this and go to bed. I don't need to rinse it off anything, and you wake up with a very good, relaxed, hydrated, and improved skin. So yes, very affordable. These tea tree cleansing wipes from Beauty Formulas. A thumbs up, and I give this a 9 out of 10. A very great product. Okay guys, so this is it. Have you ever tried these before? Are you thinking of trying it? Let me find out in the comment section. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.